Welcome back. In today's lesson, we're talking all things Instagram and how to make your brand look its absolute best. For detailers and film installers, Instagram isn't just a platform, it's your digital showroom. High-quality posts can showcase the luxury and precision of your PPF, tint, and ceramic coating services and turn followers into paying customers. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to make your Instagram profile look professional and trustworthy, content strategies to showcase PPF, tint, and ceramic coatings effectively, the secrets to growing your followers and converting them into clients. So let's get started. First impressions matter, especially on Instagram. When someone lands on your profile, they should instantly know what you do, the quality of your work, and how to book your services. Here's how to optimize your profile. Profile picture. Use a clean, recognizable logo with high resolution. Bio. Keep it clear and professional. Focus on what you offer and where. Example, PPF, tint, and ceramic coatings. Premium protection for your ride. Los Angeles, DM for a quote. Contact info. Make sure your phone number, email, and a book now link are easy to find. Pro tip. Use a Linktree or bio-link tool to direct followers to service pages, testimonials, and booking options. When it comes to Instagram, high-quality visuals are everything, especially for premium services like PPF, window tint, and ceramic coatings. Here are the must-have content types. Before and after posts. Showcase the difference PPF or ceramic coating makes with split screen images or carousels. Caption example. Swipe to see how our ceramic coating transforms and protects. Hashtag ceramic coating. Time-lapse videos. Speed up installations or detailing sessions to show the skill and precision of your team. Pair with trending music for maximum reach. Satisfying shorts. Water-beading effects on ceramic coatings or tint applications can capture attention quickly. Client testimonials. Share short clips of clients praising the results. Reels are Instagram's most powerful growth tool right now. Use them to your advantage. Here's how to make reels that convert. Hook in the first 3 seconds. Start with a dramatic transformation or a common pain point like scratched or dull faded paint. Keep it short. Aim for 15 to 30 seconds with quick cuts to maintain attention. Call to action. End every reel with a simple CTA like tap for a free quote or follow for more tips. Reel ideas for PPF and window tint. PPF, a time lapse of a PPF installation with captions highlighting protection from scratches. Window tint, before and after of heat rejection tests with captions like beat the heat with ceramic tint. Ceramic coating, satisfying water-beading shots with text overlays showing long-term protection and easy maintenance. Pro tip, use trending audio but keep it relevant to your brand. Credibility is key to converting followers into clients. When people see that others trust your brand, they're more likely to do the same. Here's how to build trust fast. Customer reviews. Share screenshots of Google and Facebook reviews in your stories. Tag your clients. With their permission, tag clients when you post their cars. This increases reach and trust. Repost user-generated content. Encourage clients to share their experience and repost it with a thank you shout out. Pro tip: create a branded hashtag and encourage customers to use it. Stories are perfect for behind the scenes content and limited time offers. They disappear in 24 hours, making them ideal for flash sales and urgency. Story ideas for PPF, tint and ceramic coatings. Polls. Which tint shade do you prefer? 20% or 35%? Countdown timers. 24 hours left to book and save $50 on ceramic coatings. Customers Q&As. Answer common questions about PPF durability or tint legality. Pro tip: save valuable stories as highlights so new followers can find them easily. A strong hashtag strategy helps your post reach the right audience. Here's how to build yours. Local hashtags. Hashtag Los Angeles detailing. Hashtag California tint. Niche hashtags. Hashtag PPF install. Hashtag ceramic coating pro. Hashtag window tint experts. Branded hashtags. Create one for your business for consistent branding. Pro tip: use a mix of high volume, 500,000 plus, and niche hashtags, 10,000 to 50,000 for the best reach. Even with great content, a few mistakes can hurt your Instagram growth. Here's what to avoid. Poor lighting and quality. Blurry or dark photos can make even the best work look unprofessional. Too many sales posts. Balance promotions with value-driven content like tips and tutorials. Inconsistency posting. Aim for at least 3 to 4 posts per week to stay relevant. Pro tip: plan your content a month in advance to ensure consistency. To wrap it up, keep your Instagram profile professional and clear about what you do. Focus on high quality visuals and storytelling for PPF, tint and ceramic coatings. Leverage reels, stories and strategic hashtags to maximize reach and engagement. If you want my ultimate Instagram checklist for detailers, drop a comment below with Instagram and I'll send it your way. In the next lesson, we'll break down Facebook, how to build a community, boost posts effectively, and turn likes into bookings. Looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson.